Money. My dear children, today I'd like to talk to you about a subject that is very important in life: money. Money is a crucial element for living, but it should not become the reason for our existence. It is important to understand that money does not guarantee happiness. Of course, it can help us live a more comfortable life, buy things we want, travel, have financial security, but it cannot give us moment of joy, sincere friendships, or the love of a family. I encourage you to learn how to manage your money from now on. Saving for the future is important, but it is also important not to waste money on things that don't matter. Set realistic financial goals and hard work to achieve them. Always remember that money is a tool, not an end in itself. Use it to help you live your life, but don't let money control you. Life is short and it is important to enjoy every moment. Create memories and do things that make you happy. Finally, remember that money does not define who you are. You are a wonderful and loved person no matter how much you have in your bank account. Love yourself and appreciate the life you have, and the rest will follow. I love you all.